Okay, so like I was saying, this is C major and this is C minor. A major chord consists of your root, irrespective of the key you are playing, your root, your major third, and your major fifth, which I've explained earlier. So this is minor chords, and this is the part 2 of the major and minor chords in the lesson. So we are among minor chords now. So minor chords consist of your root, your minor third, the major fifth. So in the minor chord, your root still remains, your fifth still remains. All we just need to do is to alter the major third, bringing it down by semitone to make it minor. So from E to E flat. So this is a minor chord, which is C minor chord, C major chord, and C minor chord. You can see the difference. The difference is the third note being flatted or being reduced by semitone, just a step lower. So E becomes your E flat, and that is it on all the 12 keys. So this is C major and this is C minor. Your root, your minor third, and your major fifth. Then C sharp, on the key of C sharp is your root. Your F is your major third, but you don't need major third. We have to bring it down by a semitone lower. So becomes our E. So E, C sharp minor chord consists of the root, which is C sharp, then E minor third, then G sharp as your major fifth, C minor chord. D is the root, then F sharp is the major third. We need to bring it down to F. Then our A is the major fifth. So this is D minor chord, D major chord, D minor chord. Then this is on our key of E flat. This is E flat as the root. Our G is the major third, but we don't need major third. We have to bring it down by a semitone to get our G flat. G is the major third, but we bring it down to G flat. Then our major fifth is the B flat. So we have the E flat as root, G flat minor third, then B flat as major fifth. So this is E flat minor chord. So E is the root, G sharp is the major third, then B is the major fifth. You don't need major third. We have to bring it down by semitone. So we arrived at G. So E minor chords consist of the E, G, and B. E as root, G as minor third, then B as the major fifth, E minor chord. Then F is the root, A is the major third, then C is the major fifth. We don't need major fifth, and we don't need major third in the chord in the minor chord. So we have to reduce it. We get A flat. So F is the root, A flat is the minor third, then C is the fifth. So this is F minor chord. Then F sharp is the root, A sharp is the major third, then C sharp is the major fifth. So but we don't need the major third. We reduce this to get our A. So this is F sharp minor. So F sharp, A, and C sharp. F sharp as the root, A as the minor third, then C sharp as the major fifth. So F sharp minor chord. Then G is our root, then B is the major third, Then D is the major fifth. But we don't need major third. We have to reduce it by semitone, so we get B flat. So G is the root, B flat is the minor third, then D is the major fifth. So this is G minor chord. Then A flat is the root, C is the major third, then E flat is the major fifth. We don't need major third. We have to reduce it by semitones. So we get B. So A flat is the root, B is the minor third, then E flat is the major fifth. So this is A flat minor chord. A flat minor chord. Then on the key of A is the root, F sharp is the major third, then E is the major fifth. We don't need the major third, so we have to reduce it by semitone, which gives us C. So we have A, then C and E. So A minor chord. A is the major, is the root, C is the minor third, then E is the major fifth. So minor chord. This is A minor chord. So B flat is the root, D is our major third, then F is the major fifth. But we don't need the D. We don't need major third in the minor chord. So we have to reduce it by semitone, which gives us D flat. So B flat is the root, D flat is the minor third, then F is the major fifth. So this is our B flat minor chord. So B is the root, D sharp is the major third, then F sharp is the major fifth. But we don't need D sharp. We need to reduce it by semitone, which we arrived at D. So B is the root, D is the minor third, then F sharp is the major fifth. So this is B minor chord. B minor chord. So those are the minor chords on all the 12 keys. C minor chords, the root, the minor third, major fifth. C minor chord, which is C, E flat, then G, B minor chord, F sharp, C sharp, E, then G sharp, C sharp minor chord, D, F, A, D minor chord, E flat, G flat, B flat, E minor chord, E flat minor chord, E, G, B, E minor chord, F, B flat, then C, F minor chord, F sharp, A, C sharp, F sharp minor chord, G, B flat, D, G minor chord, A flat, B, E flat, then A flat minor chord, A, C, and E, A minor chord, B flat, D flat, then F, B flat minor chord, B, D, F sharp, B minor chords. So those are the minor chords on all the 12 keys. Those are the minor chords on all the 12 keys. C major chords, C minor chords. You can see C major chord, your root, the major third, and the major fifth. But C minor chord, your root, your minor third, and the major fifth. C sharp major chord, your root, your third, and the major fifth. But C sharp minor chord, your root, your minor chord, then your major fifth. Then D major chord, D, F sharp, and A. But D minor chord, D, F, and A. E flat minor major chord, E flat, G and B flat, E flat minor chord, E flat, G flat and B flat, E major chord, E, G sharp and B, E minor chord, E, then G, B, E minor chord, then F major chord, F, A and C, F minor chord, F, A flat and C, F sharp major chord, F sharp, A sharp and C sharp, F sharp minor chord, F sharp, A and C sharp, G major chord, G, B and D, G minor chord, G, B flat and D, E flat, A flat major chord, A, C and E flat, then A flat minor chord, A flat, B and E flat, A major chord, A, C sharp and E, A minor chord, A, C and E, B flat major chord, B flat, D and F, B flat minor chord, B flat, D flat and F, B major chord, B, D sharp and F sharp, B minor chord, B, D and F sharp. So that is it. Those are major and minor chords. Your major chord consists of your root, the major third and the major fifth, while your minor chords consist of your root, the minor third and the major fifth. Put that in mind and you get it right on all the 12 keys. So once you get your root, your major third, just reduce it. If you want to get your minor chord, just reduce your third note. It could be an inverted version, but whichever way, just make sure it's the third note in that chord. So reduce it and you get your minor chord. Thank you for staying tuned. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, then share with your friends. Then make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload the next video, because we're going to be doing so much. Thank you so very much, and God bless you.